I am a work of art. My name is Prince Angelo Balabalimpag. I am 20 years old and I was born in Ramiro Hospital. I currently live in Katagdaan, Pilar, Bohol, and I am taking Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, a third-year student. When I say I am a work of art, I mean that my life is like a masterpiece in progress. Just like a ship being built, I am carefully shaped by experiences, challenges, and lessons. There are storms that test my strength and calm seas that allow me to reflect and grow. As a BSMT student, I see myself connected to the art of navigation. Navigation is not just about reading charts or steering a ship. It is an art of precision, discipline, and decision making. Like an artist, a seafarer must observe carefully, adjust to changing conditions, and create balance. Every voyage is like a painting. The ocean is the carved canvas, the ship is the brush, and the journey becomes the story. I also connected myself to the music. Just like waves have rhythm, life has rhythm too. There are high tides and low tides, loud moments and quiet ones. I am like music because I change with tempo sometimes, and I am calm steady sometimes. I am bold and determined. But in every phase, I continue moving forward. Art is important in my life because it reminds me that growth takes time. Just like masterpiece is not created in one day, becoming a responsible future marine officer requires patience, discipline, and passion. Art teaches me creativity, and creativity helps me solve problems even in difficult situations at sea. In society, art connects peoples from different culture and backgrounds. Just like the marine industry connects nations around the world. Ships carry goods, but they also carry stories, traditions, and dreams. In the same way, art carries emotion and history. It helps people understand each other beyond language. As a BSMT student, I am training to navigate ships across oceans, but in life, I am also learning to navigate my own journey with courage, resilience, and purpose. I am not just a student, I am work of art.